Hola my friends, how are you? So I did a thing. I got the Sheglam collab with Rick and Morty because I thought it was so cute. So I got a couple of things. I don't even remember what I got. I know I got the palette, a lip product, and I think I got a mirror. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. I think I received the package yesterday. So I have it here. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. So I got my scissors here and I'm gonna open it in front of you because hopefully nothing is broken, because I hate when that happens. And since Shein always packs their stuff like in just a flimsy bag, it always gets me a little bit paranoid, but hopefully everything's okay. So Shein came out with a full collection. I'm gonna put it right there so you can see it. It brings a whole bunch of stuff. It brings a sponge, a setting spray, a mirror, like 4 or 5 lip products, the palette, and I think something else I can't remember. So I got everything here. I bought 3 items that I can see, right? Oh, wait a minute, there's something else here. So I got that, and then I have something else here that I didn't order, right? Oh, I did order the lashes. This is not part of the collection, but I saw these and I was like, I want to try them because they're like flared out, and those are the ones that I like. This is not part of the collection, but I want to try these lashes. So they look pretty nice. Hopefully they're good. Okay, so here I have, they had a whole bunch of lip products. I only got one because I think I'm gonna like only one shade of it. They do have pretty colors. I just chose this one, which is, I think it's called Summer. If I find the image of it and the price, because I think it came in a bundle. I think it was 4 or 5 in a bundle, but you could also purchase them individually, so I just got one. And this is the Rick and Morty Family Counseling Lip Gloss. Isn't that cute? Do you watch that show? It's funny. Let me open this up. So it says here, this is an ultra glossy and hydrating formula. These glosses deeply moisturize your lips with a healthy dose of sparkle.
Ooh, intriguing.
I love the packaging. I mean, it's very pretty. And this is cruelty free, in case you were wondering. It says it right there. Look at the packaging inside. I forgot what color I got to be. Oh, okay, this is pretty. Look how cute that is. Isn't that just funny? It's so funny. It says the name there and it wobbles.
This is so hilarious.
I'm such a child. I'm a child. And look at that color. It looks very pretty. So out of all of them, I thought I was gonna like this one, like the best one, that I thought it was gonna go with everything, because I like pinky tones. As you can see, it's a lip gloss, but it does have a tint to it, like a muted pink. Can't wait to try that. And again, this is by Sheglam in collaboration with Rick and Morty. I'm gonna try to do at least 2 looks with it, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so here in this bag, I don't know what this is. It comes in a box, a beat up box actually. Oh, this is the mirror. Yeah, I forgot I got the mirror. Oh my gosh, this is, hopefully it's not broken. Oh, okay, perfect. It's not. Okay, so let me explain something about this mirror first, because if you know the collection, you're gonna be like, wait a minute, that's not the mirror. This collection brings a mirror, and I'm gonna pop the actual mirror that comes with the collection, which is that one. But when I was searching for the collection, I wanted things individually, and when I did a search of the Rick and Morty mirror, 2 mirrors came up, that one and this one. So I guess they had done this previous to the collection, and I was like, well, which one do I want to get? Even though the other one is the actual one that comes in the collection, but I kind of like this one better, so I chose this one, you know, because it has them right there. You can see them clearly, and it's black, it's round, so I think I was gonna like this one better, and I do, and it's very good quality, let me tell you. You can see everything. It's very clear. I like this mirror. Look how cute. But again, if you want the actual mirror that comes with the collection, is this one. Then I'm assuming this is the palette. Right here, it comes in this little foamy thing. Palette, it looked very pretty online, so hopefully the colors are like the pictures, because it looked very pretty, the color story. Okay, so here it is, and as you can see, it changes. So this is the Rick and Morty Sheglam, the meaninglessness of life palette. I think the packaging is very adorable, cute, and fun. Let's look at the inside. Look at the inside. Oh, for true like die-hard fans, this is gonna be great for them. You can see all of them in there. This is really cute. And the packaging is very nice. Again, you can see it now better here. I think they put a lot of thought and effort to this collection for sure. See, oh, you gotta check out the inside. Look at that. And then the colors with the little images. I think it's a nice color story because it has colors like the greens, yellows, blues, purple, but it also has like neutral tones like the browns, and that's what drew me into this palette, because I like to have also browns in my everyday palette collection type of thing, because those are the ones that I use the most for like an everyday makeup look. But then this one also has pop of color, so I think what I'm gonna do is do one look that's colorful and then the other one more neutral. So let me go ahead and show you some swatches. So I think I'm gonna start with that light blue up here and put that in the crease first. Now this brings a mirror, but I'm gonna use the other mirror because I think it's cute. So I've been super curious to try this formula to see if I like it, how it goes. There's a lot of kick up in the pan, a lot, but that doesn't necessarily it means it's a bad thing or anything like that. So I mean, if you don't like that, then you have to do your eyes first, so you can be really careful. But it doesn't really bother me that much. I just try to go light-handed with it. Now this is a very light blue, so it's more like a pastel color. So I'm gonna keep this right in here, put that on both eyes, and then I'm gonna deepen it up with the darker blue, which that one worries me a little bit because that one actually swatched a little bit patchy. So I'm curious to see how it works on the eyes. But so far this one is working great. It's very light for my personal taste. I really wish it had a little bit more pigment to it and it wasn't so light. I'm not really like a true fan of pastel colors. Maybe that's why. But for the people who love pastel colors, this blue is great. I recently used Glamlight's Rick and Morty palette in a collab video. That video is already up, and I love that palette. That palette is great quality, so I don't want to compare it because it's not going to be the same. I know, because it's different colors, different tones, but I want to know about the quality to see if they're similar or which was better or which was worse, you know what I mean? The deepest blue right over here, and it looks very pretty. Let's see how it performs on the eyes to see if it actually looks like that. I'm just gonna deepen the outer corner and a little bit of the crease. Hopefully you can see it better there. I try to put another lamp in here to see if you could actually see the colors better, like true to color. So hopefully you can see better. I am going to wing this out a little bit in the outer corner. Just a little bit, not too much. I don't want to go so dramatic with it, but just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the NYX glitter primer because I'm gonna use one of the shimmers. So I'm just gonna add this so the glitter can stay, not glitter, but the shimmer can stay in place. I'm gonna go in with this one because it's like a swirly color. It's like green and like yellowish green. I think it's pretty and it's swatched very pretty on the arm. So I'm gonna go in with that one. Oh wow, okay, I did not expect that. That is very pretty. That is very shiny. This is very nice. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in again with a light blue. Right in here. Actually, now I'm gonna go in with the purple to try the purple. And put that in the lower lash line as well and see this color because it looks very pretty in the pan. And of course, mixing those two is gonna make it a little bit more like a purple blue shade, but I can still see the purple more. Okay, this palette does not bring a black, which I love black eyeshadow. But I'm gonna use the dark brown over here as a liner type of thing that I love to do in every look because I just love it to define more the lash line. Put that really close here. I think for the inner corner, I'm gonna add this silver over here right in the inner corner to see how that looks. Oh, that's very shiny. So I'm gonna go ahead, add eyeliner, some lashes, and I'll be back. I did a wing eyeliner with the e.l.f. liquid liner, and then I added in my waterline this ColourPop, one of the new ones. They're the multi-chrome ones, and this is the shade Ventura Boulevard. It's like a blue purple type of color, and I love these so much. And now I'm gonna try the lip gloss. So I'm gonna add lip liner to my lips to define them, and I'm gonna be using the NYX Line Loud lip pencil in shade Sassy, which is one of my favorite colors from them. I have to sharpen this, but I haven't found my sharpener, so this is gonna be scratchy. Oh, it smells very good. It smells like candy. It's actually a very pretty color. So for the true test, it's not sticky and it's not goopy. It feels very hydrating on the lips. It is very glossy, very, very shiny. I do give it that. It is very, very wet looking. It feels great, honestly. So this is the first look. What do you think? I love the look that I created. I think the blues work great. I thought the dark blue was gonna be too similar to the light one and it was gonna be patchy, but it wasn't. It blended out great. Both blues actually. The purple worked great in the lower lash line as well. And I really like that purple. The shimmer is amazing, it's stunning. I had no problem with them blending weird or anything like that. They blended great together. I will try for the second look the neutral colors, those browns and another type of shimmer to see if I like it. But so far this first look and those blues, I'm loving. And this lip as well. So stay tuned for the second look. this is look number 2. I put on different lashes this time. I put the ones that I ordered from Shein. These are so good. I love these. These are great. The way they flare out, the band is very thin. I love these. I added black eyeliner in the waterline by ColourPop, and I added the lip gloss, and I'm loving everything actually. I think this is a great palette for the price, and the quality is great. It's one of those palettes you have to slowly build up, but you get the payoff at the end. So it's one of those palettes that I think are very beginner friendly, because they're not so packed with pigment that you have to like try to blend it out, and it could sometimes be a little bit hard to blend because they're so pigmented. Well, these are not like that. These you could take your time and slowly pack it on until you get the intensity that you want, because they're pigmented, but you have to build it up, you know what I mean? That's why I think it's very beginner friendly. The shimmers are stunning. They're great quality. They pick up on the brush with no problem. The color you see is the color you get. I still have to try this blue down here, and this one is like a brown, but the other two that I tried are great, and my favorite is this one because I love silver, and that one is just so stunning. And this is my favorite look actually out of both of them, because I love green eyeshadows and I love brown eyeshadows and silver, so this is definitely my favorite look. But in terms of this palette, I'm glad I picked it up because I think it's great. Then for the lip gloss, it's great. I love the formula. It feels great on your lips, very hydrating. It's not goopy, it's not sticky, which I hate the ones that are sticky, and this is not like that. So these are great. And even though this is not the mirror from the collection, but I do like it, and I love the quality of it, and it feels great, and it's perfect size. So overall, I loved everything that I tried. You guys gotta let me know which one was your favorite look. Was it the first one, this one? Let me know if you grabbed this palette and what do you think of it, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on your way out, because that does help me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.